Let's say you asked Meta to generate an Indian woman. This is what the Meta has generated. Then I asked Meta the same thing to generate, but with some added prompts. This is what the Meta has generated. See the difference? This is the power of generating AI images using prompts, and in this video I'm gonna tell you exactly how to write prompts. See the video until the end for a really special trick, so let's get started. Hello guys, I am Manu and you are watching AI Buzz X. There are two steps for writing a prompt. First step. First of all, the AI prompts are generally consist of 4 parts: image description, main item, camera description and style. In the main item, write the thing that you wanted to generate. For example, gorgeous Indian woman. In the image description, write about the resolution and definition of the image. For example, high definition and high resolution full body image of a gorgeous Indian woman. In the camera description, write about the camera angle, exposure, color, light, etc. For example, high definition and high resolution full body image of a gorgeous Indian woman, photo taken from high angle long shot with perfect lighting. In the style, you can choose any style you want, but for this video, I choose Renaissance style. So our complete prompt will be high definition and high resolution full body image of a gorgeous Indian woman, photo taken from high angle long shot with perfect lighting in Renaissance style. Now the second step. In this step, we are gonna mostly focus on improving the main item, which is in this case gorgeous Indian woman. I mean, if you want to add some features for the woman to have, for example, long hair, golden necklace, wearing sari, etc. So what we are gonna do is add brackets to the important features the image must have. The more brackets we add, the more highlighted the features would be. You can add as many brackets as you want, but I recommend only 3 brackets is enough. For example, high definition and high resolution full body image of a gorgeous Indian woman with long hair and a crown, photo taken from high angle long shot with perfect lighting in Renaissance style. Notice how I added 3 brackets around the style. That's because I want the style prioritized above all. And lastly, we can add plus or minus followed by a number, usually less than 1, to highlight the size. Plus for bigger and minus for smaller. For example, if I want 1.5 times big eyes, then we write eyes plus 0.5. Therefore, our prompt will be high definition and high resolution full body image of a gorgeous Indian woman with eyes 0.5, nose 0.1, with long hair and a crown, photo taken from high angle long shot with perfect lighting in Renaissance style. In some AI image generators, there is an option called negative prompt, where you write the things that you don't want to see. For example, low quality images, deformed body, text, poorly drawn, worst quality, etc. But in Meta or Grok, we don't generally need negative prompts. There you have it. If you have watched the video until the end, then here is the trick for you. Just go to prompthero.com, select top images, search the image that you like, copy the prompt and voila! If you think this video is helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more upcoming AI related videos.